Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed my bob wig to long hair, and not just long hair with highlights using the Irresistible Me hair extensions. The hair extension came in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging includes a sample at the top of the box. And yeah, this is what the sample looks like. It gives you the idea of what you're expecting in the packaging, and this is exactly what the hair looks like as well. So the hair came in this cute bag right there and then it comes with an extension, it comes with the clips yeah, and extra clips, yeah, just in case, but I'm sure you won't be needing that. Look at that, guys. I've never seen any hair extension, like clipping extensions like this. It's amazing. I love the fact that it's barely there, invisible, no bulkiness, and very discreet. I love it. So I'm going to show you guys how I transform this bob wig to the long way. So stay tuned or watch. Everything I did in this video is self-explanatory really, so you don't have to worry yourself about how to install the extensions, because they're very easy to apply and they're very sturdy. I mean, the clips are really sturdy and very easy to apply. So you don't have to, like, you don't need anyone to help you with this. You can actually do this yourself, or anyone can do it by themselves. So yeah, I love the construction of the extension. Like, seriously, look at that. Look at that. How flat is that? I've always seen, all this, how do I call them? These extensions whereby you have to like clip them together. That's when I've seen the type of line. But for this one, it's just amazing. I've never seen anything like that when it comes to extensions. So yeah, clipping extension, I mean. So yeah, I really like the construction of the extensions and the color of the hair, guys. The color is giving me life. I love the highlights. So beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So it gave that bow pow look to that boring black bob hair. As you guys saw in the beginning, it transformed the hair completely, like completely. I said to you guys, everything in this video is self-explanatory. Just go ahead and just, apply the hair anywhere you want your highlights and you'll be good to go. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can go for center part, you can go for half parts, you can use this on your own natural hair, but this is a wig, bear in mind. You can also do the same with your natural hair, or if you're the type that have short hair naturally and you just needed some highlights, or you needed to go from 0 to 100, then this is definitely for you. The quality of the hair is just amazing. As you guys can tell, the hair really took the course really well. I love the quality of their hair. They've always giving us back to back quality from day one. I've been working with them for years now, and I can guarantee you guys that everything I've tried, or every hair that I've tried, or hair extension that I've tried with Irresistible Me, they are always top notch, quality wise top notch, and their shipping was also really quick, which is amazing in my opinion as well. So yeah, and their hair is always true to length, always true to length. And sometimes I believe they are always generous with their length as well, because yeah, I love their hair and I love the quality, the quality of their hair. I love the fact that this is so discreet. Like, you can barely tell that you're wearing an extension. In terms of the weft, guys, where is the weft? I can barely tell. The invisible part of the weft is just one of the most fantastic thing I love about this extensions. Like, you can barely tell. If you have very thin hair and you want it, longer length hair, and you don't want that bulkiness of that weft with bulkiness, then I would definitely recommend this one for you guys. I love, 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 love how discreet and how flat and how neat the wefts are. It's just amazing, and quality wise, top notch. Look at that, guys. I actually called the hair and see how well the hair took to curls. I was amazed and blown away. Like, they always deliver when it comes to quality of their hair, and I am loving this. I'll definitely be updating you guys about the hair soon, but so far so good. I am enjoying this. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak because I can't get enough of the highlights. Like, the highlights is so unique. They're really unique that I just thought, you know what, I'm keeping this hair on my head. Trust me. I love it. And look at how well the hair took to curls. Like, really? Look at that. Look at that. Would you have thought that my short, black, boring bob hair is on my head still? No, you wouldn't have thought that, because the transformation is wow. Like, amazing. From 0 to 100 really quick, and the installation of the hair took like 5 to 10 minutes, so it's really quick. It's like bam bam bam, you don't have to spend ages, or you don't need any tutorial. Just stick on the clips on whatever you want your highlight, and you'll be good to go. Look at those curls, guys. The curls are popping. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Everything else from here is just me feeling myself. Yeah, I was feeling myself, trust me. I was feeling myself. I really love the hair, and you guys wouldn't even believe that the bob hair still existed on my head still. And the length of the hair is just amazing. The curls, everything. It just transformed the hair like real quick, real quick. 0 to 100, like bam, bam, bam. And yep, I am loving it. That's the end of today's video, guys. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos, and thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out Irresistible Me here, and trust me, you will thank me later. Bye, guys.